Welcome to Saad Educare second part of practice session telling the time. Last part we are trying to solve 4 math based on analog and digital clock, but this video we will go more deep on the clock. So this video our main topics is past and to. Okay, let's start. A clock. Here is a clock 1 to 12. Look, right side is a yellow and left side is a slight green. So when 1 minute to 30 minute gone, it will be past, and 31 minute to 59 minute it will be to. Like suppose a digital clock mention 1:25, it means it's 20 minute past 20 minute past 1, right? But how about if you see 35 then 4:35, this one we can say 20 minute to 5. It means we need 25 minutes to become 5. Now this kinds of math we are trying to start. Here is mentioned 25 minutes past 8. This one we can write hour is a 8 and minute is a 25. This is unchanged. So once we draw, so this one become a little bit left side to 9 from 8. This is our hour and minute is a 25. 5 means what? 25 means what? 5 times 5 equals to 25. So this is in here. Okay, now here mention 5 minutes to 12. Look at the clock. Here is mentioned 5 minutes to something. It means this is in 55. So what? So this time is 55, right? It means 5 minutes to. It's a 55. So you should subtract 60 minus 5. It will be 55. To what? 11. It means the time is 11. So sorry, 5 minutes to 12. So 5 minutes need to become 12. So now the time is 11:55. So this is 11. It means near about 12, right? And the hour is near about 12, but between 11 and 12, and the time is 55. It means here. We can make it more larger. Okay, this is next one. 15 minutes to 4. So 15 minutes to 4. So 15 we already know quarter means 15, right? So 15 minutes to 4, it means we need 15 minutes to become 4. So the time is still in 3 to 4. To 4 means what? The time in 45. It means 15 minutes need. So this is 45. So for 3 we can draw like this. 3 and 4 between these the marking, and 45 means 9. Okay, next one. 25 minutes to 3. 25 minutes. This is 25 minutes to next hour. It means this is 35. 35 and 2 3. It means till not 3 need 35 minutes. So here is 2. So 2, the time will be little bit right side from 2. It means here, and 35 means 7. Okay, now 10 minutes past 10. Past, it means 0 to 30 it will be past. So 10 minute past. 10 means 2. 2 need little bit shorter, okay, and 10. So we can draw like this. It's a minute, so we can make longer, and for hour it should shorter. Okay, so we can write this one 10 10. And next one, 20 minutes past 6. So 0 6 20. So 6 is our hour and 20 is our minute. Okay, done. Next one, this is very interesting thing. Complete the clocks. Draw a ring around the correct time a day. So first, quarter past 9. 9, okay, 0 9 past. So past means already happened. It means 15. Why 15? Because we know quarter mean 15, right? So this is 9 and 15 means 3. Okay, so the teacher shouting or telling good morning. So 9:15 is a morning. Okay, now quarter to 7. So it means quarter to 7. So 15 minutes need to become 7. It means still not 7. It should 6. So quarter minute. It means here. Look, quarter to. So this is 45. Or we can say quarter to 7. So from 60 we can deduct 15. So here is 5, carry 1. 0 we cannot subtract, from 0 we cannot subtract 5. So we take 1. So 10 minus 5 is a 5, carry 1 will be at here. So it will be 2. 6 minus 2 is a 45, right? So 6 45 is similar quarter to 7. So we can write 6 and it will be slightly changed to 7 and 45 means 9, right? Okay, now is it 6:45? Is it morning? Is it evening? Which? Here is mentioned, can I watch TV before I go to bed? So when people wants to go bed before night, it means 6:45 is a evening. Okay, now quarter to 4. Quarter means 15 to 4. It means 45. So we can write 45. And to 4 it means till 3, right? So 3 I can write like this, and 45 this is. One more thing, this is already 3:45. It means the 3 slide B move to 4. Okay, now 3:45, is it night or is it afternoon? Here is mentioned, welcome to after school club. After school club means this is afternoon. Okay, so I hope you cleared this one. Once you see 2, that time you should deduct from 60. Suppose somebody mentioned 20 minutes to 6. It means we need to 20 minutes become 6. It means you will subtract 60 minus 20. So 0 40. It means 40 is a minute and 2 6. It means it should 5. So 20 minutes to 6, it means 5:45. And if we want to draw, so this is 12, this is 6, this is 9, this is 3 and this is 9. So 1 2 4 5 7, then 8 9 10 11. So 5:45, it means 5 and 4, 5 and 6 a little bit here, and 40 means 8, and this is our 5:40. Okay, I hope you cleared this one. Next one, it's a very interesting thing, challenge. What kinds of challenge? We are seeing lots of spin in the game. So it's in round, 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 moving, moving, moving. After moving, first here is some clue. My spin for the hour was 3, my spin for the minute was 7, so that it's a 35 minutes past the hour, because 5 times 7 is a 35. So let's start. We will do something. We are spinning, hope it will become hour 4, and minute it's showing 9. Okay, so what does mean? 9 means 45, and hour means this is 4. So we can write 04:45. It means this is called 45 minute past 4, or we can say 15 minute to 5, similar. So the hour here is 4 and minute is 9. 9 means 45. So next one again we spin, and the minute, first hour showing 6 and minute showing suppose 2 after moving. So 6 is hour, okay, and 2 means what? 2 means 10, right? So 6, 10. So this is 6 and this is 10. Okay, again moving. So A is showing 3, M showing suppose 11. Okay, so A is, here is a 3 and 11 means 55, right? So this one we can say 03:55. Okay, so it's a very important and very easy matter. You have to learn about these kinds of thing, otherwise certainly if you face any analog clock you cannot say what is the time. And today's last part, it's a one kinds of game. Let's start. Look, here is mentioning draw a ring round the odd one out each row. So every row has time. Something is worked, something is analog, something is digital. So we have to find out which one is not similar. Look, in this analog the hour is between 2 and 3, it means 2, okay, and minute is 9, it means what? 45. So this one means 0 to 45. Okay, the digital clock also mentioned 0 to 45. And what does mean in third clock? It means analog clock. Here is 9 and 3. 9, the stick is shorter, it means the hour is 9, and the minute on 3 it means 15. So here is 9:15. And what is this? Quarter to 3. Quarter means 15. So we need 15 minutes to become 3. So it means 0 to 45. So look here, this is 245, this is 245, and this is 245. It means it should be out. This is out because it's not similar. It's mentioned 9:15. Our question was telling draw a ring round the odd one out in each row. So here is 4 o'clock, where this one is not similar. Same, here is 6, here is 12:30. 12:30 means, half means what? 1 hour, half means 30 minutes. So 30 minutes past 12, it means 12:30. Here is also 12:30, and analog clock also mentioned 12:30. So it means these three are similar and this one out. Okay, next one. Here is mentioning 20 minutes to 10. To 10, it means it's not till 10, it's a 9. And we need 20 minutes, so it's a 9:40. In analog clock also mentioning 9:40 because the minute on 8 and hour between 9 and 10, it means 9:40. Okay, and next one here is mentioning 10 minutes past 8, it means 08:10, and the digital clock mentioned 9:40. This is okay, this is okay, this is okay. So this one is out. Last one, here is 3:50 in digital clock, and here is writing 10 minutes to 4. 10 minutes to 4, what does mean? It means we need 10 minutes to become 4. It means till the clock is not 4, we need 10 minutes. So this is a 3:50. And look, in analog clock, the hour between 3 and 4, it means this is 3, and a minute on 4, 1:10. 10 minutes, 10 means what? 10 times 5 is a 50. So this is 3:50. And here mentioning 20 minutes to 20 minutes past 10. 20 minutes past 10 means 10:20. So look, here is 3:50, here is 3:50, here is 3:50. So this one is out. So thank you very much being with me from workbook. It's not learner book, it's from Warner. It's a workbook. I'm trying to solve 8 very important practice math from Unit 12, telling the time. So Saad Educare are trying to solve primary level mathematics from last week, and now I'm trying to make some videos based on primary mathematics every week, 3 days. Okay, so share your opinion which day is very important for you, and also please inform me what kinds of math I am trying to solve. So primary level 2, 3, 4 and 5, you can share me your opinion. I will try to solve these kinds of math. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, share with your relatives, and also you should keep practice at home. Thank you.